बिना डिले किए let's dive straight into today's episode of Bandra Diaries. टैकोस का फ्लेवर मिस नहीं कर सकते। बॉम्बे टैको कंपनी, जहां मुंबई का एटीट्यूड और मैक्सिकन फ्लेवर्स मिलते हैं।
Born in a pandemic, raised in Mumbai, run by women, powered by family, global cuisine, Mumbai attitude, one damn good taco at a time.
बॉम्बे टैको कंपनी, यहाँ स्टार्ट हुआ एक आइडिया, मैक्सिकन फूड का देसी ड्रामा।
August 2020, प्रशांत और किशोर ने स्टार्ट किया बॉम्बे टाको कंपनी along with Chef Parth. Young Manvi chef joins in not just to cook but brand को build करने के लिए।
आज मानवी फुल टाइम बॉम्बे में है और बॉम्बे टैको कंपनी एंड टू एंड रन कर रही हैं एज अ मैनेजर। मिशन क्लियर, मुंबई का अपना मैक्सिकन स्ट्रीट फूड।
So now we are going to introduce you to the enterprising women-led mother-daughter duo of Bombay Taco Company. This is Vriddhi and this is Manvi. Welcome.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Fine. So why don't you all tell us a little bit how you all started this women-oriented restaurant?
So it started all with her. She was the one who joined the journey of
Okay.
Bombay Taco with Prashant and Parth. And then she went to Abu Dhabi. Then she can tell you the story much better of
Yes.
Abu Dhabi rather than me.
So,
Yes, we heard, she was working for the royal family of
Wow.
Abu Dhabi. You have to tell us about your stint there.
yes,
How did that happen?
I was hired by MasterChef Chef Richard Green,
Okay.
and he took me under his wing to learn and understand how the royal family works and how their food habits are and how much production is required per day.
And how much is that approximately?
Oh, a lot.
A lot.
10 to 12 dishes at least per
meal.
Yes.
So what part of it were you handling?
I handled the prep, most of it.
So all the
and-
dishes were prepared by
Yes.
you to make them look interesting and palatable.
Yes.
So how did you start your journey? From where did you basically?
So in I think the 8th standard or something, I got obsessed with baking and cooking.
Okay.
I had an obsession earlier as well through my grandmother and my mother. And
So she's a good cook, huh, your mom?
yeah, she's an amazing cook.
Oh, so it runs in the family.
Yes.
She's lying.
No, I'm not. So because of them, I got inspired, and then I started my baking around in the 8th standard. And
Wow.
post 12th, I went to ITM to get my
Full time.
full-time degree done. I got my Indian degree as well as I got a dual degree course. The second one is Queen Margaret University of UK.
Oh,
I have
that's
that degree
great.
as
That's
well.
great.
And in Abu Dhabi, while I was working under the royal family, I got a chance to learn at an esteemed college called ICCF, International
Okay.
Culinary
Okay.
Arts of Baking and Pastry and Culinary Arts.
Oh, that's
So I
amazing.
got a dual degree in that as well.
There are a lot of degrees in cooking.
Yes.
So the
And
next
she's
master
won-
chef.
She's won some few prizes also.
Oh, wow.
I mean,
That's
she
great.
just
That's great.
entered some competition baking. It was some healthy dessert.
Healthy desserts.
Oh, okay.
It was at Cakeology in Nesco.
So what did you
Okay.
make?
So it was a beetroot mousse, healthy beetroot
Wow,
mousse.
that's the first time I'm
Yeah,
hearing of
first
a
time hearing of
beetroot. I think that's very
Yeah.
creative.
Thank you so much.
But it's healthy.
Yeah, it's extremely healthy with oats and dates crust.
Oh,
So it was like a crustless cheesecake. It was actually a mousse cheesecake,
okay.
and it was topped with pineapple jelly. And,
Very interesting combination.
And I have learned molecular gastronomy at ICCS, so
Oh,
I made citrus spears as well.
okay. When are you cooking for us? Learning so much.
Now,
You're learning so much.
What's your best-selling dish over here?
In chicken, my bestseller would be the Delhi fried chicken.
Okay.
In vegetarian, my personal favorite is the Kothambir Vadi taco.
Okay.
But my second favorite would be a mushroom kolhapuri. It's
Okay.
nice and spicy. I love spicy food.
Okay.
And my nachos, of course.
Okay, so you have like an Indian drama, Indian twist to all your Mexican
Yes.
dishes. Okay.
We
So-
tried your nacho.
Thank you so much.
Yum, it was delicious.
so nachos.
And
I
everything is
think you know
prepared
the
here
story of
in-house,
the
yeah.
nachos.
Even the taco shells,
Wow.
even the nachos are made in-house.
Everything.
So any
amazing.
nachos that you all will eat over here, any customer will also eat, they will not find it anywhere in India.
Oh wow.
That's very
amazing.
So, any more plans of expansion, or you're happy with just like being here? You'll have just one branch here in Bandra.
No, we have one more.
At Nesco,
At Nesco.
Goregaon. So, any more plans of expansion, pan India,
Yes.
out of India?
100%.
Definitely.
100%. Definitely, I'm looking out for something.
It's amazing.
In case some investors.
What do you think are the challenges like probably women face in this industry?
There are no perceived challenges. Challenges for women are everywhere. But over here, I am very comfortable.
Because we basically feel women and kitchen go hand in hand.
Yeah.
So you have no one saying
if
that's
you-
mine.
Actually, when I came to this industry, I'm not a restaurant background.
Okay.
Any kind of. And when I came, I
Just like a home
said,
chef.
Yeah, it's a home chef. So I treat this kitchen as my home kitchen.
Okay.
Then things become very easy.
Yes.
So when I opened the other outlet of ours at Nesco, I said no, I don't want to go commercial way. I will make the way I make the kitchen. It has to be neat and clean. It has to be like this. So it was very functional kitchen.
Basically a basic
functional
kitchen.
kitchen.
And what do you think? Bombay Taco Company want to keep it tacos? It's going to be all varieties of different kinds of world food.
So right now we are looking out for tacos to get expanded. But yeah, of course we are.
Because
looking
she's
out
so
for different
much into
tacos.
so many varieties,
variety
yeah.
of
So I'm
foods
sure she
and
has knowledge of all of it.
all the cuisines of the world. So yes, we might, but right now we are concentrating only on tacos.
Do you guys have any options for vegan, keto, or
Yes, we have quite a few options that we can especially prepare for them as well. Some items like mayonnaise can't be made for vegans, but we can do that as well.
So basically all can be made as per the
Yeah.
request of the
Yes.
customer.
And definitely the chilakes vegans can have, keto people can also have, everyone can have. Chilakes caters to all my customers.
So it's so nice you cater to the ones who are not indulgent and the indulgent.
Yeah.
that's amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. बांद्रा सिर्फ म्यूजिक का हब नहीं है, लाइफस्टाइल का हब भी है। टैकोस का फ्लेवर मिस नहीं कर सकते। बॉम्बे टैको कंपनी, जहां मुंबई का एटीट्यूड और मैक्सिकन फ्लेवर्स मिलते हैं। Born in a pandemic, raised in Mumbai, run by women, powered by family, global cuisine, Mumbai attitude, one damn good taco at a time.
बॉम्बे टैको कंपनी, यहाँ स्टार्ट हुआ एक आइडिया, मैक्सिकन फूड का देसी ड्रामा।
August 2020, प्रशांत और किशोर ने स्टार्ट किया बॉम्बे टाको कंपनी along with Chef Parth. Young Manvi chef joins in not just to cook but brand को build करने के लिए.
आज मानवी फुल टाइम बॉम्बे में है और बॉम्बे टैको कंपनी एंड टू एंड रन कर रही हैं एज अ मैनेजर. मिशन क्लियर, मुंबई का अपना मैक्सिकन स्ट्रीट फूड. See you in another episode of Panda Diaries. Until then, goodbye and take care.
Bye.